Hi and welcome to this video on how to effectively manage your finances as a small business. As a small business owner, managing your finances can be a challenging but crucial task. Your financial management skills can make or break the success of your business. In this video, we will go over the steps you can take to effectively manage your finances as a small business. Step 1. Create a budget and stick to it. One of the first steps in effectively managing your finances as a small business is to create a budget. A budget is a financial plan that outlines your expected income and expenses over a certain period of time, usually a month or a year. By creating a budget, you can get a clear idea of how much money you have coming in and going out, which can help you make informed financial decisions for your business. To create a budget, you'll need to gather all of your financial records, including your income statements, expenses, and any other financial documents. Once you have all of this information, you can start creating a budget by listing all of your expected income and expenses for the period you're planning for. Be sure to include all of your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance, as well as your variable expenses, such as marketing and advertising costs. Once you have your budget in place, it's important to stick to it as closely as possible. This means making an effort to minimize unnecessary expenses and being mindful of how you're spending your money. By sticking to your budget, you can avoid overspending and ensure that you have enough money to cover all of your necessary expenses. Step 2. Keep track of your financial records. Properly managing your finances as a small business also requires you to keep track of your financial records. This means keeping track of all of your income and expenses, as well as any other financial transactions, such as loans or investments. There are several ways you can keep track of your financial records. One option is to use a spreadsheet or financial software to track your income and expenses. This can be an efficient and effective way to manage your finances, as it allows you to easily see where your money is going and identify any areas where you may be overspending. Another option is to use a physical ledger or set of financial records. While this may take more effort to maintain, it can be a good option for those who prefer a more hands-on approach to financial management. No matter which method you choose, it's important to be consistent with your record keeping and to update your financial records regularly. This will help you get a clear picture of your financial situation and make it easier to make informed financial decisions for your business. Step 3. Monitor your cash flow. In addition to keeping track of your financial records, it's also important to monitor your cash flow as a small business owner. Cash flow refers to the movement of money in and out of your business, and it's an important indicator of the financial health of your business. To monitor your cash flow, you'll need to track your income and expenses on a regular basis. This will allow you to see how much money you have coming in, how much you're spending, and how much you have left over. By monitoring your cash flow, you can identify any potential problems early on and take steps to address them before they become major issues. One way to monitor your cash flow is to create a cash flow statement. A cash flow statement shows the flow of money in and out of your business over a specific period of time, usually a month or a year. By creating a cash flow statement, you can get a clear picture of your business's financial health and identify any potential problems or opportunities. Step 4. Use financial tools. There are many financial tools available to small business owners that can help you manage your finances effectively. These tools can range from financial software to mobile apps to online resources. One example of a financial tool that can be helpful for small business owners is accounting software. Accounting software allows you to keep track of your financial records, create invoices, and manage your budget in one place. It can also help you with tasks such as reconciling your bank statements and generating financial reports. Another useful financial tool is a budgeting app. Budgeting apps allow you to track your income and expenses on the go, which can be especially helpful for those who are constantly on the move. Many budgeting apps also have features such as bill reminders and automatic categorization of expenses, which can make financial management easier. There are also many online resources available that can help you manage your finances as a small business. For example, there are websites and blogs that offer financial advice and tips for small business owners, as well as forums where you can connect with other small business owners and discuss financial management strategies. Step 5. Seek professional advice. While there are many financial tools and resources available to small business owners, it can also be helpful to seek professional advice when it comes to managing your finances. This can be especially important if you are just starting out in business or if you are facing financial challenges. There are several types of professionals who can help you manage your finances as a small business. For example, you may want to consider working with an accountant or financial advisor to help you create a budget, track your financial records, and make informed financial decisions. You may also want to consider working with a lawyer or attorney to help you with legal issues related to your business, such as contracts or tax laws. It's important to note that seeking professional advice doesn't necessarily mean hiring someone full-time. There are many professionals who offer consulting services on a project basis, allowing you to get the help you need without committing to a long-term arrangement. When seeking professional advice, it's important to do your research and find a professional who has experience working with small businesses and who understands your specific needs and goals. Don't be afraid to ask for references and to talk to other small business owners who have worked with the professional you're considering hiring. Another thing to keep in mind is that seeking professional advice doesn't have to be expensive. Many professionals offer services on a sliding scale or have package options available to fit different budgets. It's also worth considering joining a professional association or network, as this can often provide access to discounted services or resources. Effective financial management is a continuous process, and it's important to be proactive and constantly reassess your financial strategies to ensure that you're on track to meet your financial goals. By following these steps and seeking professional advice when needed, you can effectively manage your finances as a small business and set yourself up for long-term success. Thank you for watching this video on how to effectively manage your finances as a small business. We hope you found it helpful and that you feel more confident in your financial management skills. Remember, managing your finances is an ongoing process, so don't be afraid to seek out additional resources or advice as needed. By taking a proactive approach to financial management, you can set yourself up for long-term success and ensure that your business is on the right track.